Hello, Sam here, editor of Oracle Time, and today I'm here with the new ceramic-clad recruits to IWC's Top Gun line, fresh from Watches and Wonders 2022, the Pilot's Watch Chronograph Top Gun editions Woodland and Lake Tahoe. Ceramic as a material is hard to work with, and while there are more watchmakers firing up the furnaces, Hublot, Zenith and others, it's still a cutting-edge way to make a case. It's also anything but new to IWC's Top Gun line. The military aviation sub-collection began its life with a black ceramic number back in 2007 and more recently saw a desert-hued overhaul in the form of the Mojave. For 2022, that desert ceramic is being joined by a dark woodland green and what IWC are calling Lake Tahoe White. And here I was thinking lakes were blue. First, the green, and the one of the pair that will undoubtedly do the best. It's a monochrome affair with a camo-inspired case colour in a smooth matte finish. It's an incredibly tactile material and one that IWC does well. For a bit of extra durability, the crown and pushes are instead in black ceratanium, the watchmaker's proprietary love child of ceramic and titanium. Otherwise, it's all green. The dial and strap have been matched to the same shade as the ceramic, and other than the indexes and hands, which still have a greenish tint, the latest Top Gun is woodland across the board. It's a look that works incredibly well with the whole militaristic angle of the collection, especially with the canvas strap. If green dials are still in vogue, and they very much are, IWC have upped the ante. That all said, my favourite is still the white. The white on black dial is typical Pilot's Watch high contrast, utilitarian and eye-catching in equal measure. The case though is about as far from stealth as you can get. There's no missing this thing, and not just because it's a less than demure 44.5mm across. The bright white can be seen across the room, and if you always rooted for the stormtroopers, this is your watch. It's not the first white ceramic watch IWC has done recently, having launched their space-themed inspiration for Beyond the Stratosphere back in September, but that was a bit twee with its starry blue dial and not for sale to boot. This version is high contrast gone wild, and the most contemporary looking thing IWC has done in years, in no small part thanks to the chunky embossed strap. It won't be to everyone's tastes and doesn't fit the Top Gun theme quite as well, and yes, going for steel rather than black ceratanium pushers is a misstep, but I can't help but love it. Underneath the titanium case packs, both models share the same movement, namely the caliber 69380. It's the same as previous Top Gun models, no surprises here, with a 46-hour power reserve, magnetic protection, and a pretty damn satisfying chronograph action. It might come as a surprise that neither piece is a limited edition. Instead, they're limited production, limited to 1,000 pieces per year, which honestly isn't all that limited. There might be a bit of a wait for the green, but it'll probably leave the white relatively easy to come by. As for the price, while we don't have a confirmed number yet, it'll be in the region of £9,000 to £9,500. By the time you watch this, we'll have more info, so check the description below for the exact price. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which hypothetical war games team you are on, green or white.